In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import HTML code on Activecampaign. To begin, make sure you are logged in to your Activecampaign account and you are on the main dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click Campaigns. This is where you create and manage the emails you send to your contacts. Once you are in the Campaigns area, select the option to create a campaign. This starts the setup process for a new email campaign. Next, you will be asked to choose a campaign type. Select Standard, since this option is designed for a typical email sent to a list of subscribers. After selecting Standard, click Next to continue. Now you will choose your list. This is the audience that will receive your email, so take a moment to confirm you are selecting the correct list for your campaign. If you have multiple lists with similar names, it helps to double-check before moving on. When you are ready, click Next. After that, you will see template categories. Look through the options and select Custom HTML. This is the key step, because it tells Activecampaign you want to use your own HTML code rather than building the email with a drag-and-drop template. Selecting Custom HTML will open an editor where you can paste your code. Before you import the HTML itself, Activecampaign will prompt you to enter your sender details. Fill in the sender name and the sender email information you want recipients to see, and make sure it matches the identity you use for your email communications. When everything looks correct, click Continue. You will now be in the HTML editor. You will likely see placeholder code already in the editing area. Delete that placeholder content completely, so you have a clean space to work with. Then paste your HTML directly into the editor. For best results, paste the full code in one go, and avoid adding extra characters or spacing outside of the HTML. If your design relies on images or links, confirm that your URLs are correct after pasting. When you are finished, click Save and Exit to save your work and leave the editor, or click Next to move forward and preview your email. Use the preview to check formatting, spacing, and any links, since small HTML issues can show up differently in email clients. That covers everything you need to know.